How to allow camera access on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So today I'll show you how you can easily allow camera access on the apps on your Android. So let's dive right in. First things first, navigate to the settings app and then scroll down and go to your apps. Now here, for example, if I want to give camera access to my Facebook, then I will search for Facebook. So you can scroll down or search for it and then I'll tap on Facebook. Now you can see permissions option here. Tap on it and you can see call logs, contacts, microphones are allowed. Now on not allowed section, you can see camera. Just tap on it and then you can see allow only while using the app, ask every time, and don't allow. Now if you want to completely give your camera access, then tap on allow only while using the app, and now your Facebook has a camera access. You have to do the same with other apps as well to grant the camera access permission. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.